Hi everyone, we are going to go over the solutions for lesson 82 of math. We're on page 432. You need your lesson, something to correct with, and your math book. Number one is $5.75, $5.75. Number two is 200,000. 200, 000. Number three is 3,752. 3752. Number four is A, 4 to 5 feet. Number five is 15.34, 15.34. Number six is 96 inches. Number seven is B, 21. Number eight, A is 10. B is 2/3, 2/3. Number nine is 9 inches. Number 10 is 3 1/4 inches. Number 11 is 4. Number 11A is 4. 11B is 8. Number 12 is 1/2. Number 13, 2 to the third is less than 3 to the second. Number 14 is 1 1/7, 1 1/7. Number 15 is 0. Number 16 is 3/3. Number 17 is 1982.2. 1982.2. Number 18 is $7.15, $7.15. Number 19 is $592.90, $592.90. Number 20 is 7,285, remainder 5. 7285R5. Number 21 is 88. Number 22 is 1,500. Number 22 is 153,406. 153,406. Number 23 is 6 1/2. Number 24 is $4.66. $4.66. Number 25 is 8 inches. Number 26 is James. Number 27 is 62 inches. Number 28 is 3/4, 3/4. If you wrote 6/8, you have the correct probability, but you did not answer the problem correctly because it told you to write it as a reduced fraction. Number 29 is D. The circle P completely encases the circle R. So this is the relationship between parallelograms and rectangles. All rectangles are parallelograms, but there are parallelograms that are not rectangles. So that's why the entire circle of rectangles is within the circle of parallelograms. Number 30, the first fraction is 22/100. The reduced fraction is 11/50. Those are the solutions for lesson 82. I'll see you here later, guys. Bye.